Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Verizon Home Internet Gateway for optimal device performance, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Verizon Home Internet Gateway from the box. Ensure you have the included power adapter, Ethernet cable, and any necessary documentation at hand. Identify a location for your gateway that is centrally located in your home. Avoid placing the gateway near thick walls or metal objects that could interfere with the signal. Plug the power adapter into the gateway and connect it to a power outlet. Press the power button on the gateway to turn it on. Wait for the lights to stabilize, which indicates the gateway is ready. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the gateway and the other end to your computer or device for setup. Open a web browser on your device. Enter the setup URL or IP address provided in the documentation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup process. Once setup is complete, check to ensure your internet connection is active. If using Wi-Fi, locate the Wi-Fi network name and password from the information sticker on the gateway. Connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network using the provided credentials. To optimize performance, avoid placing too many devices on the same band. Consider using both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands if available. To manage device connections, access the gateway settings through the web browser. Here, you can prioritize devices or set up quality of service, QoS. Keep the gateway firmware updated to ensure optimal performance and security. For best results, periodically check the placement of your gateway to maximize coverage. Consider using Wi-Fi extenders if you notice dead spots in your home. Regularly monitor your internet speeds using a speed test tool to ensure you're receiving the full performance from your service. If performance issues arise, power cycle the gateway by unplugging it, waiting a few seconds, and then plugging it back in. Consult the troubleshooting section of the user manual for additional solutions if needed. With these steps, your Verizon Home Internet Gateway should be set up for optimal device performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.